Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Four-stroke. Boys, we're mobbing out right now. The stroker's running so good too. After the rebuild and everything, man, this thing's way better. Got a little bit higher compression on it. We out here on the stroker piece, baby. Chuck on the 72, McLauberson on the freshly built Melosi 72, and then we got Robert on the 150. Four stroke sounding not so good after around all these two strokes. Chuck popping it up. What does he have on his shirt? A big ass bird? Robert on the four-stroke piece. Robert knows how to get down on the ped still. He's had his ped times. I'm trying to get him on a two-stroke right now. Yup. Yup. Look at this girl next to him, so mad, this Karen. She's just looking at him. In the slides. Cole knows what's good in the slides. Okay. McLauberson mobbing out. Chuck coming up. Oh, not the bumps. Not the bumps. Come on now. Not the bumps on the stroker. don't know how fast that was, but oh man, is my heart racing on that one. Mobbing out now from our little cruise. Oh my god. I don't know how fast that was. Woo! Mobbing. Mobbing. That shit was fast, bro. Oh my god. Dude. The wind, when it gets underneath the scooter, you feel the scooter get a little weightless. That's when it gets a little hairy, I'm not gonna lie. Just realized Juan's never even rode the stroker peak. I think I didn't have the phone GPS app set up on my phone, but I think I hit like 90 at least on the stroker tonight because I had Cole was pinned and his bike hits like 63 and he was going down a hill, so he was probably going like 65, maybe higher 60s, and I flew past him easily 15, 20 miles per hour over. I don't know, we gotta speed test my bike for sure on that downhill at least, but decided to pull the stroker out. Just hit the sweet spot. You just gotta find the sweet spot. It's back and Juan's never rode the fast scooter yet. He's only rode I don't think Juan's rode a 72. I think he's only rode the 52 stroke. Okay, but you feel when it snaps?
No, yeah, that's like what the fuck. Yeah. That's actually insane on some serious shit.
Yeah.
This through that pole. That's nice.
Now
really
you see the mood?
Okay, I see that. Yeah.
Yeah, you see the mood now?
That's insane.
You should feel when you're riding it going on the street. That's gonna do it for this video, boys. Had a fun little ride out with the MOPBOYZ. Had Robert hop back on the 4-stroke 150, hit some wheelies, and got some good stroker action, and even got Juan to try out the stroker, which is pretty cool. But stroker was mobbing that day. A few little things. I'm probably gonna downjet it now, and it seems like it's running a lot different with how we changed the compression and everything on the motor. So probably gonna downjet it, and I got a brand new Polini adjustable clutch to put in the bike. Got a new Polini clutch to throw in. Gonna put some different springs on it and mess with the bike. Got a new center spring too. and also a new taillight for the Zuma piece. So a lot to come. Still working on the Zuma. It's having a lot of problems running. So even with the airbox on, which I thought was going to fix the problems of it not wanting to idle, and no matter what I do to the carb, it runs the exact same. So I already checked the needle. The needle's still at half clip. And no matter what I do, AF screw or idle, the scooter does not change. It still stalls out, and it runs super wanky. So a lot to do with the Zuma still. But that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.